Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing access. Enable two-factor authentication on your Epic account and confirm you own a creator code or have tournament/CMM permissions. Once done, make sure Fortnite is updated to the latest version and that your account has elevated privileges. Next, open the creator dashboard or the in-game island code panel and sign in. This grants the server-side flags necessary for custom matchmaking. These steps remove immediate permission roadblocks, so you can request and configure custom match access. With access granted, configure the match. Choose creative or tournament mode and navigate to the custom matchmaking settings. Set your map, player cap, team sizes, and lobby rules. Do this deliberately because changes affect matchmaking behavior. Then generate or paste a custom matchmaking key into the lobby field and assign it to the island or match instance. Once configured, save the session and test locally with a small group to verify spawn settings and game rules. This prevents surprises when you go live to larger player counts. Start the custom match and watch key validation and player joins in real time. You want to confirm everyone enters the correct lobby and that team assignments adhere to your rules. If players fail to join, first rotate the matchmaking key and have everyone relaunch the lobby. Next, restart the server or re-authenticate your creator account. Make sure NAT and network ports aren't blocking connections. If issues persist, capture logs, note error messages, and contact Epic support with your account ID and match key so they can trace server-side problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.